Hey guys, we've got another video on crypto trends for you. NFTs have been a cultural phenomenon throughout 2021, constantly making headlines as celebrities dabble in the space and as shenanigans, scam, and legal fights ensue. With some creators making millions off NFTs, though it's understandable why you'd want to try your hand at it or play around with the tech to get a better feel for it. In this video, we'll show you how to set up an NFT using two of the most popular marketplaces. If you're new here, please subscribe and enable the notification bell to receive more videos like this in the future. The first step to take is you need to choose an NFT platform to create and sell NFTs. There are dozens of platforms that allow you to sell NFTs across a wide range of blockchains, making it nearly impossible for any single guide to cover them all, let alone tell you which one is best for your project. We'll go over two of the most popular marketplaces in this guide, OpenSea and Rarible, but keep in mind that there are alternatives if neither of these platforms fit your needs, such as AtomicHub, which uses the Wax blockchain or the Solana-based Solsea. Because of what they call lazy minting systems, both OpenSea and Rarible allow you to create NFTs on Ethereum without paying anything. Lazy minting allows you to create an NFT and sell it without actually writing it to the blockchain, thereby avoiding fees. When someone buys it, the fees for writing your NFT to the blockchain will be combined with the fees for transferring it to the buyer. This avoids a situation in which you pay $10 to $30 or more to mint an NFT that no one buys. There may be catches though. For example, with OpenSea, listing your first Ethereum NFT for sale will necessitate initializing your account, which can be a costly transaction with prices ranging from $300 to $400. It's a one-time fee, and once paid, you'll be able to lazy mint NFTs without paying anything else. You will not have to pay this type of fee if you use Rarible. However, attempting to remove your NFT from sale will cost you between $20 and $30. Both Rarible and OpenSea will deduct a 2.5% fee from any sale you make. So if you sell an NFT for 0.025 ETH, you'll receive 0.024375 ETH. The question that may arise is, do I have to use a marketplace site to create an NFT? Technically, no. You can create your own smart contract, deploy it to your preferred blockchain, and then use it to mint your own tokens. That, however, is diving into the deep end, and it's probably not the route you want to take unless you're very technical. The majority of people will want to use one of the platforms already mentioned. After choosing a marketplace, the next step is to set up a wallet. MetaMask's wallet is one of the wallets widely supported by Ethereum-based applications such as OpenSea, Foundation, and others. It's available as a Chrome, Firefox extension as well as an iOS or Android app. Coinbase also has its own wallet, which can use all the extension or app on most platforms. If you want to get into crypto more broadly, you should look into Coinbase's wallet, which supports blockchains other than Ethereum, such as Bitcoin, BNB, and others. The setup procedures for MetaMask and Coinbase wallets are similar. Once you've installed a browser extension or app, click or tap the Create New Wallet button. Coinbase will ask you for a username, and both will ask you for a password, which you should make sure to secure by generating and saving it in a password manager. Finally, both MetaMask and Coinbase will provide you with a seed phrase, which consists of 12 random words. It's critical not to lose this because it will allow you to recover your account. If you, for example, uninstall the app or need to set up your wallet on a new device, it's a good idea to make a copy and keep it in a secure location, such as a physical safe or a password manager or both. If you set it up using the app, MetaMask will ask you to repeat the phrase, whereas Coinbase Wallet will ask you if you want to store an encrypted copy of it on the cloud. The next step is to connect to your wallet. After you've created your wallet, you'll want to link it to the NFT marketplace as you intend to use it. OpenSea and Rarible make this simple by prompting you to connect your wallet when you click the Create button on the top left. You'll then be presented with a list of compatible wallets, and selecting yours will initiate the connection process. A world of caution for the future. Be careful if you see a request to connect to your wallet when you don't expect it, as scammers could be trying to access your funds or NFTs. As long as you're on a trusted site, you should generally be okay, but at least as long as something isn't very wrong, be sure to check transactions to make sure they're kosher. But if any unknown site asks to connect your wallet, you should probably think twice before accepting. After connecting your wallet, the next step is to create an NFT. After connecting your wallet, you'll be taken to the page where you can create an NFT, and if you don't end up there, you can get there by clicking the Create button on the upper right-hand corner of both platforms. Before we get started on our NFTs, let's talk about the collection. Both platforms support collections, which are exactly what they sound like. You can use the collection to create a series of NFTs on Rarible, and you can create one right from the NFT creation screen, to which the NFT you're making will be added. And on OpenSea, go to your profile picture, on the upper right corner, then My Collections, Create a Collection. When you click the Create button, you'll be taken to the Create New Item page. To begin, click the image icon, which allows you to upload your file, and you'll be selling as an NFT. Though, do make sure to take note of the file size and type limitation noted above the selector. Give your file a name or title after you've added it. You can also use the external link field to add a URL pointing to your website or Twitter account, and the description field to provide potential buyers with more information about your NFT. Underneath those fields, you can select a collection for your NFT if one has been created, as well as add properties, levels, or stats that act as metadata. If you're selling an NFT that can be used as a video game character, for example, enter their information here. If you're selling a piece of art, you can add information about it to the properties panel, such as the medium, year, and so on. However, because all of these fields are optional, many people will be able to ignore them. Next, decide whether you want to mint your NFT on the Ethereum or Polygon blockchains. We'll use Polygon as an example because it currently doesn't require any fees. If you mint with Polygon, you'll be able to mint multiple copies of your NFT. After you've decided on a blockchain, you should double-check everything. OpenSea allows you to change the metadata afterwards as long as you haven't put it up for sale, but it's best to double-check everything before doing anything blockchain-related. It's also worth noting that you won't be able to change the blockchain the NFT is on after the fact. When you're ready to go, click the Create button. Depending on the options you've chosen and the type of files you're selling as an NFT, you may have to wait a little while for things to upload. When it's finished, you'll see a screen indicating that your NFT has been created. However, your NFT isn't yet available for purchase on OpenSea. To do so, you'll need to exit the congratulations screen and navigate to your NFTs page. You can also get it by clicking on your profile picture, clicking on the Created tab, and selecting the NFT. There will be a Sell button on the NFTs page. You can create a listing for a fixed price with NFTs listed on Ethereum or Polygon. And you can also create a timed auction with NFTs listed on Ethereum. For a fixed price listing, simply enter the amount you want to sell the item for in Ethereum, but it'll give you an approximate dollar amount below, and the length of the time you want the listing to be available for. Since the NFT will be available for purchase as soon as you list it, you can use the More Options drop-down to make it only available to a specific buyer. To list your NFT for sale, click the Complete Listing button. You'll have to confirm or sign a few transactions with your wallet, either using the browser extension or the app, or Polygon. The transactions are free, and you'll get a screen saying that your item's being listed. On Ethereum, if it's your first NFT, you'll have to do a one-time approval transaction to initialize your wallet, which we discussed earlier. To do so, you'll need to have Ethereum in your wallet. The money for this transaction is only going towards gas, not a fee for OpenSea. So how much it costs depends entirely on how much Ethereum's gas fees are at the moment. After you've approved and signed all the transactions, your NFT will be listed for sale on OpenSea. However, none of this guarantees that your NFT will sell. If you want your creation to sell, you'll need to find a way to stand out from the crowd, whether that's through clever marketing or by producing truly exceptional work, and then probably doing some snazzy marketing. That task, on the other hand, is entirely up to you. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. While you're here, watch one of the other two videos on your screen, and we'll see you later.